Anthony Ford with Kong Armor. I'm down in Gent, Kentucky. We're a couple days into this project, right? I'm doing this by myself. Labor's really short at this time on this planet for some reason. But what I'm doing here is I'm encapsulating this deck system that has peeling bare deck over in a really ultra thick, high stretch contraction ability coating system that is just first in class. It's unbelievable. It fills in cracks, fills in gaps. It's really great. Look, you can kind of see how far I've gotten, right? So just working on the outside, going down through here, filling in cracks and all that. Look at this. Look at my deck post. What did I tell you guys? What did I tell you guys when I finish my deck? And these will actually get another rollout, so they're not even finished yet. But what I tell you, what I tell y'all, complete water lock. That's what I aim for on my deck post. You see the checking that was here? Completely filled in. Complete water lock. There's nowhere for water to invade that system, that post. That's what I look for. That's what I try to do with my deck post. And I'll actually make this fuller. But you can see I'm just cruising down through here trying to get this all done. You know, I was thinking today while I was doing this deck system, I've also been working on trying to recruit some labor crews and other things, and I talked to a few labor crews today that I'm familiar with that told me, Anthony, you're too strict on your decks. You want them done too good. You want them done too well. We have easier things we can do to make money, right? I'm like, okay. See, everybody wants to take the short road. That's what it's about in 2021. That's what it's about moving forward. You know, and even all the business building tactics and things that I read and watch videos about how to make my business bigger. It's all about automation. It's all about automation and skipping everything that's hard to do, right? Make it easier to do so that you can do it faster, so that you can do more of it, so you can make more money. But here's the raw truth about that when it comes to coating deck systems. If it's a good job, it's never going to be that way. It's never going to be that way, unfortunately. It takes time to fill in the cracks of a deck system. It takes time to fill in the entry points and these type of things. And this is specifically what the local painting crews around here are telling me. Hey, we don't want to do this stuff for you. We don't want to fill in entry points. We don't want to fill in cracks. We just want to wash the deck and paint it and roll it out, and we want our money. We want to be done, right? They don't want to do anything that makes the deck last longer for the consumer, because what? That slows down automation. That slows down production. That slows down the ability to multiply several jobs throughout the week, right? So it's a challenge, and it always has been with Kong Armor. And I don't expect it to ever change. That's the thing. I don't expect it to ever change. I think that it will always be a challenge to find great solutions and great products for decks, especially coating systems. And especially the way coating systems are applicated. Nobody, no painting crews, no labor crews, no nothing in this region besides a A couple of guys that work for me by themselves will do Kong Armor systems because the labor that it takes to do one, to do it correctly, it's a great deal of work, and they're afraid of that work. And it just shows you how superior our systems are to what you're getting from these guys that just show up and wash your deck. Come in there, do a little weenie painting, roll your deck floor, give me my money. Meanwhile, you got exposed cracks, you got exposed entry points. Your deck system is going to fail again right here in just a couple months, right? We got to be better than that. We got to be better than that, and it'll always be a challenge. It'll always be a challenge.